This video, I'm just going to do a quick video on how to add studies in Thinkorswim. So I just posted a few studies in the chat room that I want. So if you want to grab those, you can do it. And I want to show you how to add those. So you go to Studies, you go to Edit, and when you go to Edit, you're going to see Import. And you can wherever you save those studies should be the desktop or any kind of folder or in documents or a download folder. So just click on it. So let's just say we do SMA and we open it. You're gonna, since I already have it, I'm just gonna replace it, and then now it's there, right? So you can, let's say you want to do the enhanced, do the same thing. You add them. It's the same thing goes for the volume, and you add them. Now you have all of them in there. So you can just search it with Wall Street thing, and you can grab them right here, and you can just select all three and add selected. And then right now they are in your studies section right over here. So your SMAs are up here, your volume, and your RSI. The SMA is built with 13, 50, 100, and 200 all together. Because if you don't have, if the ones that you get from the TD SMAs, the one with the, I think it's called a simple moving average, yep. You gotta add them separately. So you gotta add them 13. You gotta add you gotta add each one separately. So in this, the ones that I just posted, the one I just gave, is one together. That way, when you just click on it, you'll get 13, 50, 100, and 200 all in one. The volume is the basically a 10-day average volume. This is the lower, this is the higher. So so that is definitely a lot helpful. And then this is the enhanced RSI that tells you the overbought and oversold. So yeah, and then when you see the arrows, these are the bear arrows, that means it's overbought. Bull arrows is green arrows, that means it's oversold. So you do okay. Now let's say you wanted to save them all as one, right? Because you got all three of them. So you just do save as set, and you can name them whatever. I have named them Wall Street scripts, so I'll just do that again. And I just say save. That's it. And okay. Now what do I mean by that when you do that? Is that when you go to studies and you want to load it, you can just do Wall Street scripts and it will just give you all three of them. So let's see. You go to studies, load Wall Street scripts, and you get everything all in one. That way you don't have to worry about adding them separately. And what I mean by this arrows is, you can see this is JPM, so you can see this is the bear, overbought, 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 and then we got this nice dip here, and since that dip happened so fast, we were oversold right away. And now again we are in oversold territory right here, and now we're trying to make our way back up. So that's how you use them. I like to use these things just so that I can keep an eye on the SMAs and the volume. I don't use them regularly, but these are very helpful studies. So this is all just a small video on how to add them. Yeah, that's all I have. All right, have fun.